All right, Driveline service of North Atlanta with a funny sign. Pretty good. Should we come play your pants? There you go. She saved the day, came and got me. The U joint, and we're gonna go throw this in, aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
Andrew, thanks a lot, man. All right, all right, all right. Drive shaft. She got the carrier bearing in with me.
Yep.
Now you're gonna carry that by yourself, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Let's do this. Drive shaft repair. The new one's in. Let's get back on the road. Look at her. She even picks up your triangles. Careful, watch out for them cars. Back on the road. Thanks for getting those. Oh, we see your war paint in your face. Ooh, all dirty. Drive shaft complete. Let's test her out. All right, all right. Broke down about 8:15 in the morning. Diagnosed the problem, and we had blown a U-joint off the transmission. The bearing just blew off, and when I got down there, the two hex bolts that were holding it on were actually really loose, so it makes me wonder. And the other two off the back that I took off the back connecting drive shaft had thread lock. The front ones didn't. Don't know if that was from before or what, but took the drive shaft to a local drive shaft place, Atlanta Driveline. Take care of me within an hour and $105. Brand new U-joint in the front. Thanks a lot, guys. Ubered down there. Wife came up and picked me up. Got some lunch with her and put it back together. So 5.5 hours, 5 hours and 15 minutes for a new drive shaft in. We're back on the road. That is blessed, all I can say. I'm very lucky that it let go where it did. So I was close, and Uber came and got me. That was fun having him get me on the freeway. Put a drive shaft in the minivan, but we're back on the road. Owner operator. Drive shaft, not too hard. Just know what you're doing. All right, guys, be safe out there.